So I just came home and this was on my front steps. You guys have been seeing these things advertised. I was really curious to see what they were actually like. These little things. I ordered a 2-pack and only this came, but it's possible that I ordered something else separately. But anyway, I'm gonna open this up and see if it's actually look like it's any good. It's a nice box. The box is even kind of got sort of a diamond plate texture on it. And then this is how it comes. Chair battery. It does feel that's something they do. This is metal. That's metal. Definitely smaller than what would be even a little dude in there. Cute little antennas. All right, let's see if I can figure out where the battery goes here. Directions can help. It's a odd little battery there. Once again, another kind of connector. Oh, there. Staring me right in the face. I mean, the construction of it doesn't feel that flimsy, to be honest. Famous last words. Ooh. It makes noise. Looks like it'll take this battery pack, or it will take 4 AA's in here, so that's kind of nice. Got slots to put 4 AA's to. These things are marketed as being, the price kind of looks too good to be true on them, so a little skeptical on the quality, but we'll see what happens. I also have a dump truck coming too. So got to really finagle with the battery cable to get that in there straight, but we will give it a shot here and see what it does. I think it's kind of dead. Let's see what it'll do here. Oh, that is so cool. It just does that on its own. That's pretty sweet. No idea how long it's going to last. It was a full 360 all the way around. See if I can actually pick. So that's just a quick little look at this thing. So far, I mean, the quality looks good. I don't know what it's gonna do after it gets played with for a while, but like all of this stuff is just like, all of this is like kind of supple plastic rubber stuff. So like, I'm sure that'll get pulled off, but it's meant to get played with, so we shall see. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got a lot of cool little details and stuff on it. Very detailed body. All these rubber hoses and stuff are cool. Got a little mirror there, a little windshield wiper, non-working light on top there. This is kind of like a rubberized plastic. It's kind of hard, so I don't know. Once things get charged up, I'm hoping it's a little faster, but also it's construction equipment, so it really doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be. This right here, this little spot for, I don't know, it's like a little engine bay. Opens up, got a little strut to hold the door open there. But yeah, all kinds of cool little details. I'm looking forward to seeing how it works and how much my son likes it. So this is the remote. You can turn while you're driving it. You can go 360, full 360. This is the noise. You can have it on or off. The light here, it's right here on the side. I believe, yeah, it's on both sides of the boom there. This button, you can push that button and it'll just roll forward on its own, kind of like an autopilot thing. Yeah, so just a quick little overview of this. We'll see you later. Later.